Welcome everybody to part 2 of our snorkeler drawing / bubble painting. Dun, 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 dun. Hopefully you have totally finished coloring in your person and your fish, taken your time, filled in the lines, and maybe even used a bit of value. All right, now your supplies. You're going to need about a half cup of water, okay? Then you're going to either use food coloring or a little bit of watercolor. I actually had a little bit of tie-dye left from another project I did, so I just put a few squirts in that. I think I put actually more than a few squirts. And some dish soap, dun, 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 and a straw. Now, if you don't have a straw, I honestly could not find a straw, you can just roll up a piece of paper and tape it and use that as a straw. You're going to stir a little bit, and you kind of want to test it out maybe on an extra sheet of paper just to see if it's dark enough or too dark, because you want it dark enough to show up, but you don't want it so dark that you can't see your awesome coloring and drawing underneath. So let me show you. All I'm doing, once it's stirred up, I'm going to take the straw and I'm going to blow bubbles. Do not breathe in. If you breathe in, you're going to get a mouthful of soapy water and it's going to be super gross. Don't do it, kids. Don't do it. Also, parents, make sure that you and your wonderful child is working in a spot where it's not a problem to get messy, because this can get quite messy. All right, so you're going to blow bubbles. Awesome. And then you're taking your paper and putting it on top. Now, I got almost nothing out of that. Let me try this again. I might add a little bit more food dye. It's a good thing we're testing this out, right? Swirly whirl, swirly whirl. Try it again. And aha, it's starting to turn. Love it. All right. Doing the same thing this time on my final piece. Get that going and slam it on. Alrighty, and you're gonna have to do this over and over and over again until the whole thing is covered in blue. Or bubble blues. Blue bubbles. Let's see if I can get 2 out of that one. Pretty good. She's already starting to look a little bit wet there. Alright, now I'm going to keep on blowing and going. Y'all let me know how yours is. After a little bit. Ooh, you know what? I'm not even going to stop doing the video for this. If you got bubbles on the bottom right there, I can actually take my paper and use part of my mess to make it part of the print. That way, whoever normally cleans up after me may not have to clean as much. All right, so I got a little bit more left to do. Definitely got to get a little bit more blue on this side, but y'all get the idea. When you're totally done, please clean up after yourself. Your wonderful parents or guardians, whoever takes care of you, do not want to spend their afternoon or evening, whenever you're doing this, cleaning up after you. All right, guys, that's going to be it for the day. I'm going to get back to blowing my bubbles and having fun. You do the same. I'd love to hear from you. You know how. Don't forget to be awesome, and goodbye.